How to fix login errors on Binance. Now, if you want to fix your login errors on Binance, it could be having the issue for a couple of reasons. First off, we want to make sure it is obviously not the issue with the internet. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, you can try to switch to Wi-Fi to see if that helps you solve the problem. Second of all, it could be the issue with the Binance app itself. So you can long press the Binance app icon, tap on the I button, which will take you to the app info page. From there, you can go to storage, clear the cache files, and clear the data. If you're on Android, if you're on an iPhone, by the way, then you have to simply offload or reinstall the app completely. Once we've done that, the last of all why you could be having the issue is due to your incorrect login details. So you want to make sure that you want to go ahead and then tap on the login button right there. Make sure both your email address as well as the phone number is also correct, and because it has two-step verification, then you'll have to verify the code sent to your email, also the code sent to your phone number, and then the password as well. In case you happen to forget your password, you can also choose to reset it. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.